In this guide, I'm going to show you how to sign into PlayStation Network on PS4 with PS App 2026. Intro. Now we're going to start off in the PS4 home screen. If you open up the PlayStation Store, when the sign-in screen appears, you're going to see a QR code. This is what you need to get on your phone. Go ahead and open up your phone, download and open the PlayStation app, and then make sure that you're signed into your PlayStation Network account on the app itself. But from the app's home screen, you just have to hit the little settings gear up in the top right. Scroll down on here, you're going to see console management, scan QR code, and this is going to activate your camera right here. You essentially just need to scan that QR code displayed on your PS4 and then tap approve. And once the app says that you're all set, return your console, and on your account, your profile is going to appear, and then boom, just hit sign in, wait for the next screen to load, hit OK, and you'll be signed into the PlayStation Network account on your PS4. The process is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.